When you move on, I make you go on.
Arise here to speak on behalf of the people that have been alive, the people that have been sophisticated, the people that have suffered depression because of one reason. They still evil. I am an evil man. I am not from the security. I am not from the road. Therefore, I am an evil man. In 1966, during the Civil War, the Nigerian soldiers, National Asala, they demanded our people, our women, men in our traditional agriculture, came out waving Nigerian flags, saying one Nigeria. 700 of my people were all tired. What was their crime? Because they are heroes. Not because they are Hausas, not because they are security, not because they are Yorubas, but because they are heroes. In 1968, my people again in this afternoon, and the entire town was wiped out. Their kids were buried alive. Women were killed, children were slaughtered. Bodies were burned, houses were burned down. What was their crime? Because they came evil. Because they are heroes. This is a people that have suffered tremendously. These are people that are supposed to receive restitution and reparation for irreparable damage, irreparable injury done to us. Because we are heroes. Today, just like we have done in the past 60 years, we are calling that they let us go. They let us take our destiny to join our brothers and sisters. The unity is to treat an equal as equal and equal as unequal. We need to treat them as unequal entities. Therefore, we want to go. For the purposes of unity, we can't say that our seats, like the regular people that are seats, yeah, or that are silent, the fact is, we have the only political movements. Fine. If what we see here, can you let us join our brothers? We are not outside, we are not disagree. We are not, we are supported by an array of traditional rulers here from Anyoma, Delta State, Delta North Central District. They are currently led by His Royal Majesty Charles Chukwuemeka Kanyase III, JP, the OB of Edumuje.
Most distinguished chairman and other members of the our people on the southeast, many people from my the economy that was open are very long and like process of the question as to whether we are going to take is very daunting. But people have to say, don't take out more before I get it. We don't decide that to do that. In some point, well, at some point, the rest of life. I know nationality and something for
don't want me. I'm offering this thing for the event. Look at this man. You know, we so and we do this for the
the first part was the time so before with the to the West Nigeria province to be carried out from the body and the continents. After you have nine representations and the last one in 2024, which is the representation of the effect of the constitutional government to the mission for biodiversity. And so we have conspiring soon. Requesting that we order please. We have politics because it is. We have everything that we can use and purpose speaking. Everyone has an existing neighborhood community as community and local and then in practice, a company is the hospital style, and nobody is the local resident to the and the style. We have people do this. So you can also understand you can think as you can know. We are founded by a level of 6,300 square kilometers. That's what we want to have. And we are founded by Middle State and Anwar. Also founded by Rivers, Ibu, and some of the areas that are missing and AOPC. We are the best of strong handling and daily contemporary with the reform with that case. We are sufficient man to work the community. We have a big level of human resources so we can feed ourselves and also feed others. I make sure that if you that I am not a person, I am not a person, but I am a person in this secondary and restoration. If we explore this, that will take a while and take a lot of what we call the normal our human being is presented to another. We have no place to in the language and this is what I know this. So, I know that the entire professional professionals and all of us know that those who are professional are distinguished the number below line. That's what I did. I hope this one is by 2006, I was working on 200,000 people. And that is also what they say. If you apply 2006 rules and then apply by now, unity. Like myself, I was told, we are no same people. I thought we are able to be able to and so we are able to realize if we join the alliance to they don't do it. And so I think what we really do, and I know that anybody who is in the case of what to do, they are one. It's understood. And so we are grateful to the 10 states for providing this leverage for us to shout out from the easy months for where we travel in the past. Now it's a long way. Now we are going to seek the organization as a state. And that means I know. It helps us to communicate to you how you feel. What happens? We need to what we did and not did. What we can say is that we stand with the state. We take away the state and powers from the right to ensure that the state will be united. Let me say that we will find Senator Ned who is we're here proudly because we're learning for the test and we hope that at the end of the day, one of the states in the world, the Southeast, who have welcomed us here. Whichever way this is going to work out for us to partner and to work together. And
Thank you.